This was my contention when I called out Mayor of Baguio City, Benji Magalong, when he was issuing blanket statements implying that all congressmen in this house are corrupt. By all means, Mista, call out corruption. That is both a responsibility and a moral duty. Tutulungan kita. Labanan natin ng korupsyon. But one must draw the line when it comes to generalization. It is responsible to make the fault of one. It is irresponsible to make the fault of one apply to all. Mabuti siguro kung balikan natin ang punot dulo nitong buong kontrobersya na hinaharap natin. Itong flood control na inabuso ng ilan pero sinagasaan ng lahat. Huwag po nating lahatin. Kung may ethics committee man lang, isa lang din natin yung kumate ng budget. Huwag na natin simulan sa 2022 kung gusto nyo kahit nung 2025 lang. The same standard should apply to all. No sacred cows. You speak of ethics when one rises to defend his name from baseless allegations. All the more ethics should come into play when a whole institution is tarnished over the lack of accountability of some.